about using a calculator? What value of x makes the equation true? We've got 3/4 minus x equals 1/4. Let's go. All right, you got an algebra problem and it involves fractions, so that's kind of like a double whammy, two things that you might be a little intimidated about. That's okay, I'm gonna get you through this. We can work through this together. I think a useful way to solve this problem, and this is useful in lots of different problems, is to think about fraction models. And what I mean is this: we've got 3/4. I'm gonna draw a circle and I'm gonna shade 3/4 of it in because that represents the fraction 3/4. So I'm gonna draw a circle. Here's divided into 4 equal parts. We've got 3/4, so 1, 2, 3/4 of it are shaded in. Then I'm gonna subtract some unknown number x, and that's gonna leave me with 1/4. So I'm gonna draw another fraction model over here, and I'm gonna divide it into 4 parts. And this time I'm only gonna shade one of those parts. I'll shade this one here on the upper left. So I've got 3/4 minus a number equals 1/4. And visualizing it, you can probably see for yourself, oh, wait a minute, that missing thing, the thing that I'm taking away from this picture would look something like this. It would be a circle divided into fourths. And now 2 of those fourths would be shaded in. So if I want to think of this visually, then 3/4 shaded in minus, it looks like 2/4 shaded in, should leave me with the 1/4 remaining that's shaded in. In math problems, what we've just said here is that x is equal to 2/4. Okay, so we could see 3/4 minus 2/4 is equal to 1/4. Therefore, our answer should be 2/4. Great, we're done, right? I don't see that answer here. Well, what do? We've got to remember that we can also simplify fractions. And in our case, 2/4 could be written more simply. I could simplify it by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2. Divide the 2 by 2 and you get 1. Divide the 4 by 2 and you get 2. So x is really equal to 2/4. That's true. But I can simplify that and say that that's really equal to 1/2. Now look at the picture. This is where the fraction model is so helpful. I can see that very clearly, yes, 2/4 of this circle are shaded, but another way of saying that is that 1/2 of that circle is shaded. So, okay, one way or the other, we've solved the algebra problem. The missing number that satisfies this equation is 1/2. So our answer here is E, and if you got it, great thinking.